Hello guys! First of all, we would like to say thank you for all your support on Mojo68. We couldn't have done it without you. Now, we're back in the game with Mojo84. Check this brand new 84 keys layout with black keycaps. We can't wait to share more details. The stunning see-through design remains, but we added a cool black keycap. The Gasket mouse newly added pointer switches mat makes the typing sound more satisfying. Just listen. F1 to F12 function keys are added to the 84 key positions. Whether for work or games, these 12 keys can complete even faster and more convenient operations. Hot-swappable design makes it easy to swap, upgrade, and mix switches without soldering or shutting down the keyboard. Exclusive KB tools allows you to create custom macros in your own shortcut settings. RGB backlighting colors and rhythms can be selected in infinite combinations for more fun. ABH double shot reduces wear and makes the keycaps more durable. The ultimate touch fits every finger. Mojo84 supports 2.4G USB wireless, Bluetooth 5.2, and wired connection. Compatible, connect up to 8 devices, one key switching to boost your productivity. Mojo84, a see-through, customizable, and programmable mechanical keyboard. Support us on Kickstarter now.